Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload an avatar profile on Bigo Live and also how you can add backup photos to your account step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Bigo Live app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, so you don't face any issues while following this tutorial. Once you've updated the app, simply open Bigo Live. After the app loads, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Now you will be taken to your profile page. Here you can easily upload or change your avatar profile picture. Just tap on your profile picture area and select the photo you want to upload from your gallery. If you want to add backup photos, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings, you will find the option to manage or upload additional photos. From there, you can add backup images that will be linked to your profile. Make sure to choose clear and high quality photos so your profile looks more attractive and professional. And that's it! This is how you can upload an avatar profile and add backup photos on Bigo Live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.